Hi everybody, Brett back out to Scale Models with another Sprue review. This time looking at Revell of Germany's 1956 Chevy custom kit. Sorry for the glare. Shiny box. This is not a new tool, but it is a new kit for Revell of Germany. And it's for the Flory Models 1950s group build. What a better thing to build from the 1950s than a classic hot rod, street machine that, would have been built, ran and used, rebuilt, maybe even passed down from father to son to grandson. Or maybe just someone in our day found a 56 Chevy and decided to want to build it. So we're going to build this sucker. So we're going to look at it first. So you can see the box, same all the way around. Number 07663. Revell boxes show built up of the kit. And you can see a bunch of things about the car in several languages. This can be built as a custom, stock, custom or a stock car. Okay. I'm going to try and build it as close to what it would look like in the 50s. So, take a look. End opening box. Body. I thought this would be white, but it's like old school gray styrene. So, this aside, start with the body. And get that knife. So like I said, this is a new tool for Revell of Germany, but I'm sure it's been around for a while. Body looks really good. Really clean. No sink marks. Mold lines straight down the center of both the fenders. Clean that up. Also, straight down the top of the fenders on the trunk. Clean that up. Looking good. Excuse me, underneath it's got some wording. I guess it can be either molded in blue or black. A little bit of detail in the hood compartment. Engine compartment, nothing except fender wells and the windshield wipers. But it's looking good. It's got Bel Air right there. Got your lines here where you're going to put chrome. That's going to be easy to do. Or you can sand it all off and just make it smooth if you choose to. So, that's good looking. Comes with 4 your basic old school tires, no name, attached to the rubber sprue or vinyl. They're solid, good tread pattern. Not really much of a seam line in them either. This, or you can pull some tires out of your parts box and put some good slicks on it. Thought since it was stock car option, they'd have another set of tires. But it does not. Here we have floor pan with the exhaust built into it. There is writing right here. 1978. That's how old this mold is. From back then it was Revell MM LLC, not Revell Germany. Trademark General Motors, so it was licensed. 1978, so this is 45 years old. Hood. Nice little emblem on the front. It's kind of soft, so again, you might want to just sand it out. Opening for the hood scoop. 4 ejector pin marks to clean out. Interior tub is basic. Your 3 pedals. Back seats even got ejector pin marks in there, right there and there. So It is what it is for how old it is. There's that blue and black writing again. Okay, this one. So it's your front bench seat. It's got a nice design on it. You're able to easily paint that in 2 different colors. Nice texture. Your headers and your regular exhaust. Pulley, belts, steering wheel with the, looks like it's got your shifter on the column, 3 on the tree, 4 in the tree. There's your fan belt, your radiator. There's your hood scoop if you want to use it. Part of the suspension. This is going to go under the front end. Again, there's your headers, springs, shocks, wheel backs. Here's your engine. Basic 350. Box says 353, but I'm sure it's 350. There's your dash. You can see it says Bel Air. It's got a radio. It's got the speedometer. Do some work on that. Make it look good. Leaf springs. Drive shaft connected. Looks like another air cleaner. It's got 3 carbs. And your valve covers. Your intake. It's got a CB radio. And bucket seats. In case you want to go bucket. Like I said, I'm going to make it as close to stock as I can, so I won't be using the bucket seats. And that's all the parts. Not a lot of parts. Here's your chrome. Very shiny chrome. You've got those which are not stock. Those which are stock for your wheels. Front end, grill. There's your blower pulley, your dual carbs. Front bumper, rear bumper. There's your jet plane hood ornament. Very shiny. A lot of this I'm going to de-chrome because it is so shiny. Of course, like I said, I want to be using as much stock as I can, so I'll be using the stock wheels. This is for the lip at the bottom of the hood. Your valve covers here say Chevrolet. I know it's upside down. There you go, Chevrolet. It's like a CB antenna there. So very nice chrome plated parts. There's all your blower parts. Just a little too chromy for me. And lastly, we have clear parts. There's just one clear part in headlights. And you know, it's your standard. Gonna have a little warpage around the corners. But it's pretty clear. Not awful. Goes away so I don't make them awful. And I put the instructions over here. Should be decals in here. There are. And there's a lot of nice decals. There's license plates, even some from other countries. You got some seat belts, both standard and racing, some flames if you want to go with flames. You've got, hold on. Dust in the air. You've got parts for your dashboard, save you a lot of painting stuff. Flowmaster, Chevrolet decals for the valve covers. I can't tell what those white ones are right there. Some more Bel Air ones. There's your hood ornament, so you can use the decal. White walls if you want to go white wall tires. There's some hood pins, a few racing decals, flames. You can letter the tires, and those I'm pretty sure say Goodyear. So you can do not raised, but you can do white lettering for the tires. And various emblems. If you don't want to chrome it, you can use the decals for the sides. Not a bad looking decal sheet, printed in Italy, so maybe cartograph, maybe you want to cartographs. Friends. And your instructions. Revell's new fancy color books. This is the whole street rotted version with the CB antenna in the back and the big hood scoop and looking all racy. Some instructions, some safety warnings, all the emblems that you'll see in the book. And here we go, there's color call outs using Revell's colors. Available at fine model stores everywhere. Revell grill or glues. And some more colors. And then one of the colors you're going to have to mix. Or two of the colors you're going to have to mix. And then sprue layout. And sprue layout. And then, like with most Revell kits, you're starting with the engine. You decide you want it custom, you want it stock. Like I said, I'm pretty much going to go stock as much as I can. Custom, stock. So there's the stock with the dual carbs. Here's one with the blower. There's your stock engine. And your custom suspension, your stock suspension. I mean, it's very clearly called out. So it'll be easy to do. And then you got color call outs throughout. Putting in your custom or your stock engine. Like I said, it's already got the exhaust built in, so I don't like it very much, but I'll make it work. And then your custom or your stock wheels and white walls if you want white walls. And then putting your tires and wheels on. Got to drill out some holes if you want custom. Here's a good shot of the red and black interior if you want to do that. Black carpeting, red, black inserts from the seats. And your dash, well, your dash decals. Steering wheel, CB radio, which I won't be putting in. There's how your seat would look if it was red and black. You can do it white and red. You can do it two tones of red. You can do it lots of different ways, white and black. Stock seat, custom shifter, because you'll have, even though you only have one transmission in the kit, and I think it's got to be manual. It is, it's manual. But you either shift on the column or you shift on the floor. Roll cage, fire extinguisher, you want to use that. More decals for the floor mats. Very clear instructions. There's your standard seat belts. If you want to use them, or you can use your own, make your own. You know, if you're doing red, there's the red headliner. That's telling you the headliner will be the color of the interior. And what is C? C is silver, so apparently the rest of this around here would be silver. Obviously, you're cutting this out to mount your windshield in. Use Revell clear, contact to clear. Putting a chassis on the body. Putting in your radiator, some more decals, some more painting, some hoses. Custom stock again, custom blower, standard stock scoop, stock hinges. Well, it's stock hinges, but hinges that go with either one. Your grill, your headlights, bumpers, CB antenna if you choose to use that. You know, you gotta paint the red, of course, license plate frame. And here is the box art for the custom. Here is what your stock one would look like. Just your basic Monpa car or teenager's car. They just got it, haven't customized it yet, in black. There were many other colors, and I'm not sure what color I'm going to make it, but I am sure this is not going to be a very hard build, but it's going to look good when it's done because the body is in really good shape. And this is my entry for the 50s group build of floor models. Thanks for watching. Sit your ass to the bench, build a model, have some fun.